So guys, we're done with the Nika shoot, and oh my god, I had a horrible experience because hey guys, I woke up in the morning and I was working in my studio. I have a big day today, so I thought of taking you out with me. Actually I have, oh my god, what's happening? Oh, there's a puja happening because it's Ganesh Chaturthi today. ये क्या गेम है? So जो मैं बोल रही थी आज it's a big day. I'm really busy visiting a Nika. बात नहीं हो सकता यहाँ पे. अंदर जाती हूँ. तो अभी मैं थोड़ी देर पहले सो के उठी हूँ and I am, oh my god, the cushions are calling me. I am still feeling so lazy. But no, नहीं, मैं power nap अभी नहीं लूँगी. Now I'll go take bath and I'll have lunch and then चलते हैं Nika store. Hey guys, so we're already running late. We're on our way to Quest Mall and we were supposed to reach there by 5 and it's already 5. So I hope we reach in another 5-10 minutes. And we have a lot to do. We have a lot to shoot and a lot of work to do. So yeah, looking really forward to this. It's raining and I just don't like when it rains, and I don't know why it happens. Whenever I go out, it has to rain. Oh, I hate it. So guys, we've reached Quest Mall and we're going towards Nika. So yeah, let's see. So guys, we're done with the Nika shoot and oh my god, I had a horrible experience because it's not about Nika. Nika was super good, but the mall where I went, it's called it's the Quest Mall, and they did not allow me to shoot. They apparently don't allow people to shoot there, and it was so weird. I mean, why Kolkata? Why will you not allow anyone to shoot anywhere? This is so silly. So right now I came to Madla's and this is one of my go-to places and I love coming here again and again and again. So I'm gonna grab something real quick and then I don't know what I'm gonna Guys, I finally reached home. Oh my god, it was a tough day. I had so much fun at Nika except for that horrible experience at Quest Mall where they did not let me shoot. I don't know why, it's so silly. Yesterday I went to the doctor's and I was just shooting something for my own personal collection, but they didn't let me shoot it. It is so irritating. It's so tough to be a vlogger in Kolkata. You just can't. You just go out, you just start shooting and everybody's like, no, you can't. I know guys, I'm ranting and it's a little rant, but that's just because I'm super frustrated. It's just, I really can't show you what all I do. So I just reached home and now I'm walking downstairs. I'm just taking a walk. I'll go up after some time, then I'll get fresh and then I'll just probably sleep or watch some movie or something. I'm sorry guys, I'm ranting a lot, but that's how I'm feeling right now. Alright guys, so that's it. I will see you in some other vlog where people will let me shoot something. Alright, bye. See you. Bye-bye.